Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Binya matum kawe. Adu guys Bangalore da based tora laibane IT job amada corporate job ne. Adu I job sigi maram da aina Instagram da kai tare sum post over kanda ko. Job maram da budi natrasu social life and lifestyle maram da post over kanda. Meetings and I am interested oina hange ko. Like what do you do? I know adu samna ba na profile the UX designer ne na hire thamba dukan. Then people are like, what exactly is UX design? And then me khara di I koi ba khud ba travel ke jat ba du ko. I'm interested hoira ga so hang birak pa yawe khaitare what exactly is UX design? How can I get I zo oidinge habedi khaitare akhoina anga wearing ai da aina at least ai gi oina khangjarak pa matung in di medical or engineering mainstream careers in this was very helpful for me. I skill set matungin na sige sa chare na khanse di na curious khangning amazing na ko ang na ha paganda question na lai aduga so sorry I how's it called like I've been like really postponing this video. I shoot the word talle na koi na postpone tor thamega kaino dei I want the thabag yam changba sigi videos e same no bagi damakta aina yam information opening ba aduga I akhoi gi IT job ta thabag ta amazing se contract ama sign ta ba dina I public ta habedi mi myam da information haibe ya is I khang de ba dina si thigat pa ke myam se changba da I want the thabag yam oige da but it's been long due aduga ngarang say I YouTube to 1000 subscribers hit to so as a present to all of my viewers I thought I'll finally make this video so yung binara se Jose ay questioning na amam toraga khumake yariga information pirake so aham question da yam ichamcham na what is UX design UX design hai gadi mag se short form niko UX hai sa long form the user experience design hai baneba the user experience design se kaino hai gadi it's very simple yen han ke ko I know Jose I phone the type the way Google hana ko ado I how I do in a screen se thoksa halage ado I Google se type to bakan se the now I start seeing certain things like karai the type to bagani ado akoina search bar ko we na chi kaino hargadi browser ko we for example or dagi Google na kaino na takpagi search result me am thola pakan se the kai part kai yarkani all shopping image videos nakanam dalerani adugi hek makha na Google logo yarkani shigum pot macha sing se shigi se khoina phone da thengaga interact to base sikan ji da karai da kari namaga karai chatkani for example shigi se asigi zebu user gi experience moina kai torkani se design to bagi thabak sibune bago user experience design khara complicated oi grabadi khangde but aduduna simplest way na ina thaja bane for example atopa mana aina contact aigi contact book se hit tawrene adloraga now I start seeing phone numbers and people I me ga phone number do ga uba hore aduda aina karai da namaga ring chatkani amadu da call tawgani adu karai da kari namaga kai thabak tawrakani je semak pagi anything screen do the ubudo akhoi phone screen se da urak pa anything se sigi se bu design to se UX design ko adu da aina yam samna phone da explain to bagi wani si akhoi website su sari bani tablet ta application sari bani game gi interface kai su yar kani si yamna varied way ko so but that is in a nutshell UX design je kai no have never go so I hope that was useful ado I link khara hapsaramge UX design se kaino na khangning ba extra khangning ba yar okay next question can I become a UX designer as a UX designer oi ba yabra of course hoje akhoi gi aina tori ba career se da ko mi myam se different background dagi lae masa engineer oiramba doctor budi yaudi ko of course but engineer oiramba economics oiramba economics ki chhatra mass communication adudu everyone khambra oi be yae ba UX design gi skills e kaino haragadi masana interest yamna yauragadi हाइबदी इंटरेस्ट हाइरगदी को टेक्नोलॉजी द इंटरेस्ट यावबा फॉर एग्जांपल अखोइना कईगुंबा स्टडी तौरेने हिस्ट्री गुंबा ज्योग्राफी गुंबा सिसिदी चेंज तौररोइदना हाइबदी अदुदना ओंतंग नॉलेज से लैरगदी यारेबगो but in case of UX and in case of tech every second, every minute, every day, another revolution, another discovery, another design, so constantly adapt to the adogumba knowledge to the aduduna nang ishana kaygumba technology and field of advancement adugumba the interest yam lairaba, and that is first interest. Second is problem solve tauba shigi problems thola gadi smai solve tauba yani ko adu, and an interest in visual design habidi akhoi gi thabak se loina bak somehow screen ama natraga kaitare computer screen ama phone screen ama da thola ka dawune na ko sak phajaba kamai tor phajahan gani sijing je am darkar hoeba adu na three things ishana ishagi any career field agi jump taubazi yawi mi phanyam je adu na sigi three things and jang biyo. How can I become a UX designer? I oiba yabra de khangeba hojik se ko yes I can become, but how do I actually become now? Like kamai to doino karam balambi chattoino kari to doino sigi se hire di I ishana khangjarak ma matung in two different roads. Hambasina amna formal oiba course ne aina logi ba course to haitar di aize architecture lo shaleba ko adu loiraga all India entrance exam for design layeba ani thokna amana IIT jing changnaba amana National Institute of Design changnaba ani mak tharaki ani mak power adu aina atopa college me amja lay, but aina advice obi matung in the entrance exam do thabiyo kagino dadi ishana tamaga khankani kahtar exposure yam lay, quality of education yam high way na entrance exam thabiyo dulor changbiyo sisina formal design tambagi lambi ne. Second su bisina self taught adi ishana hotna zaraga college am ta tamdana UX designer oirakpa sisu lay ko mi like tabanatte, but kitang rare oi hairaga di akhoina kaigumba UX designer cham oragadi manga gumba tara gumba moina self taught designer oiramgani ba moi successful oidaba natte habanate, but still yam thina effort to changeba ishana effort hada ishana knowledge yam laigadaba aduduna self taught sing se moi course ama online course kuma tauba natraga moina company am da thabak tawda design gi thabak macha moina so interest oidana yaudana tawraga sum tam na UX designer olakba sigumba siniko. So both ways you can do. Aina aingonda hangaga di ai se formal design do ina tamhaninge kagino dadi ai haizara ke mag thangzuga placements the company the internship ke kaisi it's just easier to get like these kind ke aina recommend budi tawre formal design degree course na khara laigani na aduda where can I study UX design hai ko questions e interesting oi kagino dadi ai gidi path to yamna kitang winding oigre habidi amada ama jump tawgre aisina ingonda kananom na si takbiramagadi ai class 12 hegloi baga changam gani ko adu all is not lost habidi 12 lore ai hojik BA tawri natraga ai topa course ama tawri cheche ga main tawr changdoi no hom question yam lai adu kemta khanbi ga no don't worry exams it thabiyo baga natraga design college any design college ki ai design college top design college khargi link piram ge, but design college sing sigi curriculum da changa yengo interest yauraga di adu exam da definitely thabiyo adlorga directly chang yare. So 2-3 options directly 12th pass tawlorga changba natraga bachelor's kumba diploma natra degree course ama tawri adu lorga pekha thara changba, or last option UX design yam pamjaraga di ko aina hojik job ama tawri hairagasu either formally design tamuge ana changba natraga start amagi through the ongkong agi careers restart away one. And where are these colleges is Gujarat yam phawe India ge institute amlai National Institute of Design top college ni adudagi top college ani sui amana IIT Bombay da IDC ko we मोइसे मुंबई की डिजाइन डिपार्टमेंट से मोइना IDC को हेबको अदु सिगे अनि से टॉप ने but other than that there are so many more design colleges IIT Delhi IIT Guwahati IIT Hyderabad and then Bangalore IISc Bangalore ko sigi jing se aina khangbagi matung ina lay but other than that private college su khar lay exam phau hodre but I still want to pursue sigi design degree se kamai tawni haragadi there are a couple of design colleges I haizarake yeah and with that aina nga sa haizagi humdo amana 12 loiraga amana bachelor's loiraga masters tawna bachangba natraga last ki duna job tawna directly changbado aduna taba ahambagi bachelor's se hairagadi India the college ahum natraga mari khatangum lairamni ko directly bachelor's taw yaba IIT Guwahati da malai NID da malai duga IIT Mumbai gi lai sala laiba male so yeah I'm not sure about IIT Mumbai but there are a couple of colleges jo directly 12 passed oraga design course tamba yabaga aduga second duna masters to aina nga sa haizagi biduna ai gi experience duna aina hena khangmani na adugi college mayam da masters ki tawbagi damak ta changba yaiba so that is where you can go and study UX design next design school fees okay the yamna kaitare controversial topic na there is a couple of things aina torkiba college tuna kitang tange haigadra NID se khara tange go IIT se khanbare but I changde because I thought NID is just aina experience was running over go but if you study in IITs natraga government college amada ditadi sanctioned thagi moina income khar pirakani ko adu teaching assistant role hairaga pirakani around 15,000 per month aduga aina khangbai matugin chahi mari manga gumbagi mamangda semester fees 35,000 adwai da oyeba ko tha taruk ne semester hairaga di tha taruk ki 35,000 aduga chahi ani shangani masters ki na chahi mari shangani bachelor's torapagi oyraga di ado sigi je ishana ge gumba tha khudingi government akhoi da tolo pi bai thai tore kha adu piragadi yam easily affordable oye do not na habidi design college khara di tange hoje tha ma da 80,000 or even ai matam da lishing yang khai manga oi rakhibene but hoje adi aina khan bada 80 muk yorama da male adu gum bajing do kitang tanga bani na students sing the income laisa deko aduduna parents to yamna kahetare pressure pinning draga so yamna line education loan lo bayai adlorga admaina design tambaya ko aduga atopa mana ko secret tip freelance thabak to baya bane freelance thabak se ai kon explain tawrake ko okay self study sigi maram da ai am khangde but question atopa mana self study kai tawdoino course kai tawdoino aina khanbagi matungin nadi ko basic design course khara online da pasha thiraga natrasu ko YouTube ta yam resource yam laibane ko what is UX adudagi how can I get into UX sigumba natraga how can I make design software like how can I use design software khar lai rangani hojiki khwaidagi phawse Figma okay freeze oy aduduna directly changaga akhoi ka tare sanaba hoba yare ba ko aduduna khara used to era kanda YouTube the tutorial yam lai bane adu loraga sigi jingdina akhoi je design se khara software dependent oy ko aduduna adu hoba yare but before that self study tawgi hairaga di hoje ki existing akoina isana seasonariba khwaidagi am seasonariba application jingse for example sigi videos YouTube ta thagalamni na yengi mi jingse YouTube ti definitely seasonaramani aduduna YouTube se kamai toraga work to izano aina video ma yengninge haitari karai da type tawi kari type tawi kai utlai YouTube sina aina kai gomba YouTube ta anoba feature ama hapninge khallone sigi video si machet se ai download toraga kakninge khallone adu tardi aina designer YouTube ki designer or dari kamai solve torngani adugum yam basic questions they hobiro after that if you want to get into gather formalized courses Coursera adudagi lynda.com admai mayam lai bane but aina recommend with the basics to hana khangbiraga YouTube ki free resources sing se khudong chaba aduga atoba question amana yam help opportunities of a UX design I say Instagram they am active hoye aduiduna travels yam tawe bego company na thari ra kamai toino nang na sana kamai chari no kai opportunity bhange like I would have to say company achauba amna thabak ai company kaino achauba je kaino haira ke company achauba am khak thabak tawragadi you get a lot of opportunities for travel akhoi je travel tawbagi chance yam phange free do oidoine company na loin bak sponsor tawgani adu da bu thabak ti tawde yade ko for example aina latest chalu do Singapore chalu bane adu hafta amagi chatpado aina numit 10 na sangdoe duga ai husband Rohan do su puraga chale and sightseeing kai mayam tore nungdang wire from 6 p.m. till late night akhoi sightseeing yam tore but during the day habdi ayuki pung taring khai ni pan dagi horaga nungdang wire pung manga bu bugumadi office ta phamaga is thabak dawri ni ko thabak dawna tawna nungdang wire do sightseeing chale aduga office tagi chuti kitang lok thoga Singapore yeng pane so that was like one of the brilliant opportunities adui mamang ni so ai chat pa phange aigi mamang da ina thabak tawram je Microsoft ta tawrame adudina makoina akhoi se Bangalore da thabi ba yawe Mumbai so chalore anduna opportunities yam lai go travel if you really like travel it's like a really good place to be and then opportunities of a UX designer se adobam na freelance ki thabak tawba yai aduga freelance ki thabak se kaino hairagadi aina main job se tawna ko kaigumba directly competing oida tardi ko thabak macha logo sembiyo invitation card sembiyo dusu paisa phangdoi ne bago aina example amo ina hire bada thaino aina internship toring aida is a top freelance am khak tawe bago ado internship ki salaries ina lising yang khai dagi 60 muk oir 60000 muk oir so ai freelance la amu phange ba tham da kaino dadi adu ki matuk habidi isan hona zaragadi adu phangba yai go sisine freelance thabak hairagadi application thabak app ama design to biro gain thabak macam adu gum sul lak pe yai natraga adu dagi hena pikpa logos habiro banners habiro adu gum zu yai adu dina ishage skill lo yam hairagadi execution do yam perfect oiragadi yam line up shatan be yai so there are two opportunities so far one is travel second is freelance third one yam important adi tarzo mina yam ka thokan ba hairagadi work life balance aina tawriba se traveling tawriba social media da active oiriba simyam se kaigumba work ka life ka gi balance laitragadi it possibilities laite ba ko aduduna akhoi gi je thabak se akakna ba matam ma haiba laite nang sidagi na sibau tawde yade haiba laite ishagi thabak se tawri ghai deliver tawri ghai freedom yam lai ko aduduna work life balance yam phajana lai sigi se ado hai janing bam na company da su depend taw bane habedi the next question which is karai de thabak tawraga kai opportunity bhange se ko I address that. Alright, Chiba was hang na tabirak lagi. Thank you very much. I zuwai swara manil adulla kahetari sigize last second or last third question or gani. This is where should I work? Have the karai the thabak taw sige natraga kamain torga paisa tan sige income se kamain torga phangni paisa kamain tan ni sisu angkong mawong adi lai salaried oiba employee ama habidi ai gumba aina company da thabak taw ai Google da thabak taw bane hojek se salaried employee ama natraga studio gumba ishagi company mai jaba haigadra natraga completely freelance oigiba adusu yai ko adu torba ganda company makhal mai amna offer torgani ba khoi thabak taw birla na adu da there are 3 different types aina hoji phok khangpada majorly budi type ani ne ko product company haibamga service company haibamga service company haragadi aina company duida makta thabak tawni moigi client lerakani for example TCS Infosys moigi client macam yam lakani moida akhoi si sabiro na moijina client aggregator gum mane ko punjal laga si client si thabak taw si client si thabak taw moijina service se akhoi skills service amoina piba service job the first one aina khara preferred ozabse sigizena product company never the product companies are kind of moi masagi product amalaiza how would the loiba decisions and moina loina lauza. For example, Flipkart ko moi masagi product ni moi masagi in-house design team laizai adu moina Flipkart se moina loina bag decide taraga semjarakpani. For example, India gi oina have the Phone Pay, Flipkart, adagi kaile Paytm, Cred, all of these are Indian startups product company. Adu moigi masagi product like aduna se khwaidagi phawba international design company se chahi ahum mari mamang de Fang company ko me Fang haragadi Facebook, Amazon, Netflix. Howziki oina market turbulence haigadra stock price wangkhatte shi mam jage depend tawraga Fang companies e top the higher roy, but they're still big companies. Okay, adu khwaidagi lucrative oiba habidi paisa yamna wangna piba companies jing se si oidoine bago adu aina mapan chalaga thabak tawdabanina India the international kai companies lay haragadi there is Google, there is Microsoft,
Amazon,
yes, there is also Apple, but these two are the places aina hana thabak tawramna. So my work culture, work-life balance, everything is really brilliant. Finally, mayamna khangning my question, last but not the least, salary kya no, sa income kya no, tolob kya chage. Oh my god, aina sigi questions answer di am toning ba adi tarzu aizana NDA ko wamlego non-disclosure agreement ana shige sign togi bagi maram na aizana कहता यामना detail the legal detail की documentary changaroge but thigat pe aba thigat le kai highway ai kai share to ya khoi directly khoi gen income je share to ya de but I'll get straight to the point. Karigumba Ivy League college haragadi ngasai aina panjagi ba India gi top college to adudagi tholak pataragadi ahamba chahida ko top international product company amada changagadi ahamba chahida lakun manga muk phange chahi gi oina parage ko tha amagi oina hire ke you know didi fluctuate tawe handaki tha mathang tha chahi amada tax yaudringai dini ko lakun manga muk phange adudagi karigumba sum thabak tawraga experience tangkhalaga skill level matung in job to hena hairakpagi matung in promotion ke kemam larakani ko in 5 to 6 years ngasai khoina phangiba lakon manga je 2 to 3 times hena tolop chabe ai adu si India da laina ni ko adu Indian salary ne aina INR da haibagi wane karigumba mapan da lermagadi yam line ahamba chahidu da 70 lakh tagina crore ama bhobadum yam line phangya kai no the dollar conversion do adu laibanina so this is the salary range adu shina cream of the cream have the kahtai top 0.5% salary dune ko adu shida datana khoi Indian startups aina panjagi bizing do moi gi salary su yam pick panatte aina khangbagi matung in aina thaina wai NID gi placement have the khoi se company me amna laaga interview tawraga job offer pi doine ba ko college to da adu se placement season ka we adu placement laak pa da ko Indian companies almost 18 to 20 si chahi mari mamang dani ko hojikti hengalamani aduna 18 to 20 lakh phoba pi ba yawe adu dagi startup khara pick thabasing duna lakh tara de na trama thoi 10 to 12 muk pi ba yawe aduna sigi damaktane aina ngasai hai givado Ivy League college entrance exam do thabiyo lorga changagadi opportunity yam phangye na ko sida natana nang isagi ngasai gi degree do branded college habdi si college ma yamna powerba khangnaba brand ina freelance thabak la pakan da su mi atopam na lishing yang khai logani ha kan da nang na 80000 loge habda yara kani because nang on the trust to aduki matuk layeba. So this is it. See you ina thank you yam kuina yam postpone to video ni yam matam change aina research to information je correct oi boina pining manina kashu khanbi gano UX design changninga ga su adum it's never too late anytime switch to boya I just hona bakal lagadi aduda any other question UX design ni maram da leragadi comment hapiramo ai yari question do answer to janabo honarake Thank you for joining. See you. Bye.